Let us first learn how to make the photo frame. So let me tell you what all material you require to make the homemade photo frame. We will be needing any cardboard or mount board. I have taken 2 pieces of cardboard. Both the pieces are 20 cm by 15 cm, and in one of them I have drawn a 3 cm border all around, so the inner part becomes 14 cm by 9 cm. We will need piece of cardboard which is 14 cm by 8.5 cm to make the stand, and 2 pieces of 8 cm by 3 cm to help in making the stand. So this is what we need for the stand. We need few sheets of black paper for the stand, and this pretty cardboard paper, any kind of paper you can take. It could be any stock paper or decoupage paper for making the front side of the frame. So let us start. First step, we need to cut out this 3 cm will remain. We need to cut out this rectangle from the inside. So take your cutter, take your scale, so see, this is cut out now. We will cover this with this paper. First let us cover the back using a black paper. You can take any color cardboard backside for the backside. So just apply Fevicol nicely or any white glue which nicely on this. We will stick a same size piece of black paper. So in this way we have stuck black color paper on top. So it is completely covered with black on both sides. Now we are going to cover this. So just place it. Let us cut it. So now I have cut out. Let us start sticking. First put a good coat of white glue. Onto your cardboard. First we will stick the outside part, so we will just apply a little bit of Fevicol on here. Like this. In the same way we are going to stick the inner part. So now we have covered the frame and the back side. Now I'm going to take a double-sided tape. You can take any kind of double-sided tape, and we are going to put it in the 3 parts so that we can easily slide our painting. Now I have a thick double-sided tape, so I'm going to put it right at the edge and then I'll show you. Now see, I've put my double-sided tape on 3 sides. In case you don't have a double-sided tape, no worries, you can also use your white glue and just put it under a hard substance. Now I'm going to remove the other side and stick it. Now I've removed the adhesive. Now just put it and press it down really well to stick it perfectly. So there is going to be enough space on top to slide your photograph inside. Now I'm going to let it stick for 2 minutes. While this is sticking, let us make the stand for behind. So for the stand, we have taken this 14 centimeter paper. This covering sheet is approximately 21 centimeter by 15 centimeter. I'm going to stick it in between. So just put your Fevicol, stick it right in the center. I'm not going to cover it from the top side, so first let me cover it from the base. Now this is going to be our support for the back side. Just press it well. we'll just cut off the extra, because the top side extra we are going to stick onto our frame back side. I will just show you. And to give a neater look to the stand, just take a same size and stick a black sheet on top of it. I have taken another piece of black paper while this is sticking. This is 16 centimeter by 8 centimeter, and in this I am going to create a groove. So how I am going to create a groove is, just take your pencil, you can take your your scale, and you can take any dotting tool to create a groove at a distance of 4 centimeters. And now just fold it. So at the points where we've done the groove, just create a fan. So this kind of a fan or a W we have created. Now the first part is going to be stuck here, the other part is going to be stuck onto the frame. But to give it more strength, here in the inner two we are going to stick 2 pieces of cardboard. So let me just cover the cardboards and show you. So now we have these 2 pieces. Now we are going to stick it in the inner 2 pieces. Just stick these cardboard. This is going to give strength to your base of the photo frame. To give it more neatness, we have covered them in black paper. Apply Fevicol onto this part completely well. Let it stick well, and then we are going to apply it onto the base. Be careful that you apply it onto the open end of your photo frame. Now first let us attach it to the base. Apply Fevicol and very carefully attach it to the center, to the base, and let it stick well, and then we are going to attach this part. Now let it dry completely. So now you can see that our photo frame is ready. And let me show you the back side also. So this has got strength because of the cardboard. Now we are going to do very beautiful quilling flowers on all sides and then decorate our photo frame well.